everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Joy. Today is another day. I will be showing you how to make your own lemon oil. We all know that buying lemon oil in the market is very expensive. So today I have easy way to show you how to make your own lemon oil, which is going to be affordable for you. And this lemon oil is going to remove pigmentation on your skin, and if you have a dark spot on your skin, this lemon is going to remove it because of the vitamin C in the lemon. So if you want to know how to make this lemon oil, please do continue watching. If you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Also share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, with your family. And if you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. God bless you. And let's jump into it. So guys, this is all I will be needing. This is 2 lemon. I'm gonna use 2 lemon, and I will need my plate, of course, and I will need my grater. So I'm gonna use this and a container to put my oil. So what we will need, we'll do now is you're gonna create the lemon. We only need the peel, not the juice. So I'm gonna grate it now. Just grate it to bring out the peel. So guys, I have finished creating my lemon. So this is all I came out with. So the next thing I will be doing, I will need my bowl. So I'm gonna transfer it into my glass bowl. So I will add olive oil. So my carrier oil will be olive oil. So I'm gonna add, but you don't add too much of oil because you want to really get the lemon oil from it. So if you add too much of oil, as you can see, I only used 2 lemon, so I will just add a little bit of oil together, but not too much lemon oil. Olive oil. So I just add a little to give me the lemon oil. So I have boiled my water. So guys, I have boiled my water. So I will just drop the oil into the hot water to make it sit. You let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. So you keep stirring it every time, to check on it every time for 30 to 45 minutes. Then later I'll tell you the next thing to do. So guys, you keep stirring it and you leave it on a very low heat. You don't overheat your stove, so you put it on a very low heat to bring the lemon juice out. Very, very low heat, so you don't overcook it. So you just leave it sit for a low heat for 30 to 45 minutes. So guys, this is how my oil is doing. So I keep on stirring it like every 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, it has changed the color to a yellow color. So you stir it together every 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The aroma is coming out from the oil. So you keep stirring it every 10 minutes and you leave it to sit there. I will leave it to sit for another 10 minutes, then I will take it off. Alright guys, this is the oil and it's ready. This oil is good, and I'm gonna transfer it into my container. So I will just strain it into this plastic, then I will transfer it on my container. So as you can see, this oil really smells good. So I'm going to transfer it into my container. So I'll just transfer it here. So that's the oil. You can do this way, and it's very simple and easy to make. This oil will brighten your skin. It will remove dark spots. If you have bad odor in your house, just spray this oil in your house. Mix it with water and just clean the place which you have odor in your house, and the odor will disappear from this lemon oil. It's very effective. If you can do it this way, it's gonna be good for you. So, and you avoid buying it, and we all know that it's very, very expensive. Like this little one, I bought it for like 30 dirham. That's about 1,000 plus in Nigeria. Just a little thing like this. So is it not better I make mine? And even this one is even more than what I bought, and I use just maybe 2 dirham to make this. So that is the oil, and it's very easy to make. This oil is very good and super in your skin, and it smells so good. So this oil, if you want to cleanse your skin, this oil will cleanse your skin. It will leave you with spot-free skin. So you try the way I showed you, and you're gonna see the benefit on this oil. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. If you know this video was useful and helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Also check out other of my videos. There's amazing and interesting video you will learn from it. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and God bless you. See you in another video. Bye for now. Bye.